Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Just heading out of work, and I want to talk to you guys about these tires again. Just trying to keep everybody updated as much as possible. I see a lot of people on, every truck forum out there, just even online, Facebook, whatever. A lot of people are asking still about the Venom power tires. So I just hit my 15,000 mile mark. So another 5,000 from the last video I did. And I measured them yesterday when I went to AutoZone to pick up some oil for an oil change, and they are at 12:30 seconds tread. So they went down another 2 in 5,000 miles. And I've been driving, doing a lot of highway driving. I've been back and forth from here to the UP towing stuff. So I'm liking them. I mean, they're doing great. I am noticing that it seems like they might be getting a little bit louder on the expressway now. I can hear them more. I don't know if you can hear them right now. I'm driving down the road, but they're wearing even all the way across the tire. I mean, I'm running 2-inch spacers on the front, and I do have some front end problems. I have a lot of play in my steering wheel, and I don't think my ball joints or tie rods or anything are going bad yet, but make sure you guys are still on. Damn, turbo, or slow it down. What was I gonna talk about? Yeah, they're kind of getting a little bit louder, on the expressway, and that might just be, them starting to lose a little bit more treads. Maybe they're just starting to hum. I'm not sure, but they still kind of sound like if you were to buy a brand new tire, and you get that brand new tire hum. But I want to go over some questions that people have been commenting, and people have been emailing me and PMing me, or DMing me, whatever. A couple of people are asking about the snow. So I haven't had these tires in the snow yet, so I couldn't really tell you. I don't personally know anybody that's had them in the snow yet, so I'm not sure. But if you subscribe to the channel, I will make a video as soon as I get some snow here. We're still doing pretty good. It's kind of cold, but no snow. Rain. Rain. I mean, a little bit of rain. It don't matter if it's slick or an owl shit out there. It's fine. I mean, I haven't had any issues. So, I mean, I've done 75, 80 on the expressway in the rain. I don't get any hydroplaning, no drifting. I mean, if I'm at a light, I take off, they don't spin. Everything's cool there in the rain, so you ain't gotta worry about rain. A couple people are asking about mud. I haven't had them in any really aggressive mud yet. I've had them in the sand and some trails, where it was kind of wet. When I was in the sand, I had to throw it in 4-wheel drive. It's a heavy truck, so yeah, you're not probably gonna make it through a lot in 2-wheel drive. In the sand I was in, it was some pretty thick, heavy sand, so yeah, I had to put it in 4-wheel drive to get it through. Other than that, yeah, I haven't really put them in any mud, so couldn't tell you there. A couple of people were asking about vibration. I do have vibration, but it's not from the tires. I can tell. I worked at a tire shop. I can tell if they're not balanced right, or if the tire is not properly made or whatever. Well, the sirens are going, so nobody's dead. Yeah, the vibration. I don't think I get any from the tire. I'm about 100% sure I don't get anything from the tire, and I just have a horrible front end. I have a Dodge. So, Dodges are on 14 wides on 2-inch spacers. So, yeah, that's just normal there. Some people were asking me how I like them. I posted in the first video, I love these tires. In the winter, I'm thinking about, or over the winter, I'm thinking about either raising the truck or maybe going down to a 33 on a leveling kit with, keeping the 14 wides. I'm stuck. I'm not really sure what to do. I'm just kind of over the way the rough country rides. And I don't have the money for a nice long arm kit right now. In the future I will do that for sure, but right now I don't. I just kind of want more of a nice relaxing ride when I drive it. So yeah, I'll definitely buy another set. I love these tires. I like them. I think they're great. I haven't gotten down to where there isn't a whole lot of tread yet, so maybe my opinion will change then, but for now I like them. What else was somebody asking me? We went over the rain, we went over the mud, the snow, the vibration. I guess if you want maybe like the humming or the noise, road noise, like I said, it's nowhere near as bad as I've had mud grapplers. You know, I've had other all-terrains. I've had all-terrains that were a lot quieter. I've had all-terrains that were a lot louder. I've had mud terrains that they're nowhere near compared to a mud terrain. They're very smooth driving down the road. If you're looking for like more of an aggressive tire though, I wouldn't get these, because they, you know, it's a hybrid, it's a mix between them all, so you're not going to have that real nice aggressive look. I didn't really want like a too big of an aggressive look. I just wanted something that was practical for towing and driving back and forth. You know, long distances. I don't want to be shaking and bouncing the whole way, so I tried to find something nice, and I like these. Some people were asking me about the PSI, and this is just kind of, when you work in a tire shop, this is what every tire shop will do pretty much. If you're putting an LT, you know, 10-ply tire on a half-ton truck, you're gonna want to run like 50 PSI. And if you're putting an LT on like a 3/4 ton or a 1-ton truck, you'll go 65, unless your truck has like TPMS sensors. Then just go off what the doors say. You know, some people put 70 in the front, 80 in the back. You know, whatever the door is and the sensors are set to, you can't go wrong with the sensors because it's programmed by the manufacturer. I think that was about it. But there was something else that somebody asked me too, was tire warranty. Like, what are you gonna get? You know, some people are like, wow, it's got a 50,000 mile warranty, so like whatever happens to the tire in 50,000 miles, I'll be good. It's like, no, that's not really what happens. So basically how a tire warranty works is, if they tell you that you're gonna get 50,000 miles out of the tire, and them tires are completely worn down at, you know, 35, 40,000 miles, that manufacturer could offer you a refund based off of the amount of miles that you have left. So they're not going to give you a full refund of what your tires were costed, but they'll give you a prorated refund basically. And but there's a lot that goes to it. You probably have to send all your tires in. They're going to check, make sure that they're all evenly worn the same. You know, that you weren't riding on bad ball joints and tie rods or wheel bearings for a year or 2 years, so you ruin the tires, or you got a little nail in it or something. They're not going to take care of that kind of stuff. So just don't get confused by that. Maybe some people that's old news, some people might be new news. Yeah, I'll show you guys a couple clips of the tires, you know, what they look like right now. I think that's about it. I don't really have anything else to say about them. I love them. They're great tires. I would definitely purchase another set, and like I said, I'm going to go up or down here over the winter. I'm not sure yet, but we'll figure it out as it goes. One thing I want to say though is make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, because every so often, once I hit a certain number, I'm going to be giving some free merch away from Custom Offsets, Anthem Off-Road, and some of our own merch myself. So I appreciate everybody's help so far. I never thought I'd even get anywhere on this. Yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.